Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to Side Hustle Enterprise. I am your host, John Maz, and this, of course, is Market Moves Monday, where we take a look at what's going on in this upcoming week and what to keep an eye on. Now, I really hope a lot of you guys took the opportunity this weekend to relax, recharge, spend some time with your family, and kind of clear your head a little bit. I know it's been difficult to kind of do that following Dogecoin over the weekend as the price just kept on climbing all the way through Sunday night and to this morning hitting 40 cents. So lots of stuff going on. I hope you guys weren't super glued to your phones and the computer screens. You actually took the time to relax and recharge. Now, the main things we're going to be talking about today is going to be AMC and the upcoming squeeze, Dogecoin a little bit, and Safemoon as well. I do want to point out, guys, if you're not aware of it, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial expert by any definition of the term. I'm just a guy with a YouTube channel and a camera sharing my opinions on my holdings and my different side hustles moving forward in an effort to achieve financial freedom for myself and my family. Now, it's been an amazing journey so far. I've seen so much support and great comments and great interaction with so many people on YouTube and Discord. I ask that you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, show the channel some love. Join me on Wednesday for my AMA, and my live discussion on Market Watch Wednesday, either on YouTube and Discord. And let's push this channel to the next limit. I'm just under that 1,000 subscriber mark where I can then be monetized. So again, everybody who has already supported the channel, thank you so much. And if you're not supporting it, jump on board. It's a fun group. It's a fun group of guys on Discord. Join the conversation. Share your opinion. Share your thoughts. Share your side hustles. I want to know. I want to talk to you. I want to learn. So that being said, let's dive right into the meat of today's discussion, which is going to be AMC. Now, I personally am bullish on AMC. I'm holding just under 2,000 shares of AMC on 4 different platforms. I'm doing my best to liquidate some of my other holdings so I can buy more AMC because we are going to see some crazy manipulation today, tomorrow, moving forward, coming up to the 6th and the 8th as well. I'm going to be seeing some. We're already seeing it now. I'm not going to say it's already happening. We're seeing bots on Reddit. We're seeing people being shadow banned like myself on YouTube because we're talking about AMC in the short squeeze. We're seeing, articles come out that are owned by hedge funds. Now, you have to remember, and you have to I hope a lot of you realize that 15 of the world's wealthiest people own 90% of all media outlets. So they control, really, in essence, what we see and what's going on. Hence why so many YouTubers and so many financial influencers are being shadow banned and the content isn't being pushed to more and more people. Of course, do your part, not just my channel, but with other channels. Any channel that really talks about AMC in a positive light with the short squeeze coming, hit that like button, upvote it on Reddit, whatever it may be. Do your best to help support positive information and correct information, not FUD, not misleading information. Some positive information moving forward that I would like to share with you guys is May 6th, AMC has their earnings report coming out. We're going to be seeing what's going on with AMC. We're going to be seeing, kind of behind the scenes look or behind the closed doors of what's going on. We saw some interesting things. The CEO, he was going to release 500 million shares and then said, nope, I'm not going to release 500 million shares. I'm going to release 43 million shares, but it's only going to go to specific banks. And those 43 million shares are not going to be released until 2022. So it's not going to affect this upcoming short squeeze that we have underway. And it is a battle. The short squeeze is a battle. There's no other way to describe it. It's against retail investors and hedge funds right now. People that are bullish and people that are bearish against AMC. Just so you kind of understand of the numbers of what's going on, 87% of all free-floating shares are owned by retail investors. That is a huge, huge margin of free-floating shares that we own. Because we own such a high volume, if you will, of free-floating shares, we control the price and we control the power of that company or this AMC moving forward. Right now, between synthetic shares and traditional shares, we're seeing around 230 million shares being shorted in the market. So that's right around a little over 50% being shorted. How is that possible? You're asking yourself, considering that we, as retail investors own 87% A lot of it has to do with the synthetic shares. These shares that we're seeing today, driving the price down and really pushing that value of that AMC, shares down below $10, trying to scare people. These are all scare tactics. In my opinion, these are all scare tactics. There's FUD out there of AMC filing for bankruptcy. That's not the case. CEO says that's not the case. He's been very open and very transparent with everybody on YouTube and Twitter and Reddit and everything else. We're seeing a lot of heavy shorting today. Again, in my opinion, it's an opportunity to buy more. We're seeing prices dip below 10. I'm going to try to buy as much as I possibly can without jeopardizing my potential holdings moving forward. I do feel AMC is going to squeeze, and I feel it's going to squeeze hard. How hard it squeezes and how high the price goes is all dependent on us and how well you can hold your positions. If you are somebody that has a weak constitution or is afraid that they may, you're an emotional investor, maybe take a step back a little bit. Set some limits, some sell limits, and take a step back. Me personally, I've set my sell limits at a high number. I've set them over $1,000 a share for my sell limits, and that's where they're staying. I'm going to leave them there. I'm not, worried about the gains as it climbs. That's what I'm willing to sell it at. That's how long I'm going to hold it until it hits that mark. Things may change moving forward, but as of right now in the moment, those are my sell limits as well over $1,000 for all of my shares. It's very interesting to see the things that are coming out, especially on Reddit. We have a number of Reddit bots saying that the AMC squeeze is over. It's already been squozed. They're very creative, and you got to realize these are bots. These are fake accounts, but they may be real people behind the keyboard, so they sound more authentic and they sound more realistic. Do your own research. Do your own digging. Look at financial reports. Look at short squeeze utilizations, which is just under 100%. Look at what's going on. Look at, the different things that are kind of behind the scenes that are happening. That's all I can suggest to you guys, and to, realize and remember that us have the power to really dictate how high this short squeeze will go. It will happen. This week is going to be a hectic one. We're going to see some people, I'm sure, with paper hands sell out and get scared. Me personally, diamond hands all the way. I'm holding on. I'm holding on to the moon. I'm hoping for this position that I have with AMC to really skyrocket for the point where I can actually buy a new home for my family. So that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm betting on. So I'm curious to know what you guys are thinking, what you guys think about AMC, how you feel about your positions, what price limits are you setting? Don't have to send them to me on the chat. Message me on Discord. Talk to me in private if you don't want to divulge what you have going on and you're curious about my opinion or my thoughts. You can always get a hold of me privately on Discord or email me. I try to make myself as available as I possibly can for everybody in the community. Another key thing to focus on that I picked up in my notes as I'm reading my notes, talking to you guys. Got to remember that coming up right after our earnings report from AMC on May 6th, we have the hedge funds quarterly report as well. So we'll get a chance and a glimpse to see what these hedge funds are holding and what their positions are, whether they're buying or selling specific companies or shares, AMC being the key point or the key focus right now on what's going on. So we have, which I think is a very strategic move on the CEO and the board of directors for AMC, pushing the earnings up to May 6th, pushing the shareholders meeting up to May 4th, and so on, and really taking the wind out of the sails for a lot of these hedge funds. Now, the only thing that they can really do is promote FUD, promote misinformation and synthetic shorts and short ladder attacks and try to drive that price down. I hope that everybody has diamond hands out there who is holding. I hope everybody is shooting for the moon in this upcoming short squeeze. Again, share your opinion, share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing and what you guys are thinking moving forward with AMC. This AMC squeeze, in my opinion, is going to outshadow GME by, 20x, 30x. We're going to see 100x. We're going to see, that's my hope. That's my thought. That's my, I'm praying that that'll happen. Hedge funds are scared. It comes down to it. The hedge funds are terrified. Where we're seeing, they're pulling out all the stops. They're trying their best to really push down AMC and the value of the company. But we have like celebrities like Vin Diesel, coming out and talking about He didn't say AMC specifically, but he talked about the joy of going to the theater and seeing, a big cinematic movie and the surround sound and the lights and everything else. And he talked about how wonderful that is. And I think that really touched a lot of people positively, in a positive light, moving forward with AMC. So just be aware of what's going on, guys. Don't read into all the FUD. Do your own digging and so on. So I'm not going to, bore you any longer with AMC. You're not going to dive deeper into any analysis. Those are the things that I'm focusing on. I'm not even doing charts for AMC right now. I'm not even looking at it. It's so manipulated, and it's so just out of the ordinary, in the way that the chart is trending. It's so hard to draw these analysis, Fibonacci's and Bollinger Bands and RSIs and whatever else, that I'm not doing it. I'm not even looking at the chart right now. I'm looking at the news. I'm watching, some of the analysis, in-depth analysis, and I'm trying to, kind of put the FUD in the trash where it belongs. So I hope you guys are doing the same. I hope you guys have the diamond hands as well. Moving forward to the next topic here, Dogecoin, everybody's favorite cryptocurrency, is trending once again. We're seeing skyrocketed amounts of volume. We're seeing $10 billion in volume just in the past 24 hours. That is huge. We are in the top 5, top 6% of cryptocurrencies listed right now in CoinMarketCap. And this is a cool one that I found very interesting to me, because I am a miner myself. I do mine cryptocurrency. I do mine Dogecoin specifically. Dogecoin mining has increased 4,500% this year alone. That is insane how much drive is being put into mining Dogecoin. Elon Musk is great. Mark Cuban is great. All this publicity we're getting from all these celebrities around Dogecoin is awesome. But when it comes down to it, it's the miners, it's the community, it's the people that support it, it's the utilization of the coin, it's using it in transactions that really keep that price climbing and stabilizing. That is the key to making this cryptocurrency go the distance. And that has always been the drive with Dogecoin, is to use it. I use it. So when I mine, for example, I have my holdings of cryptocurrency. I have them, my Dogecoin put away. But like I said, I also mine it. So I take a portion of it, I split it. 50% of everything I mined goes into a hard wallet. And then I take that other 50%, either I'm investing in another cryptocurrency, or I'm cashing it out or using it to purchase things, whether it be on Newegg, or I'm using it in, some other vendor who accepts Dogecoin. Using it is so very important to, stabilizing the ecosystem around every cryptocurrency, not just Dogecoin. So be aware of that. Yes, Elon's SNL skit coming up is going to be fantastic. I'm sure we're going to see a huge pump around Dogecoin once he goes on SNL. But to stabilize and to maintain those high highs, you have to use the coin. You have to mine the coin. You have to transact the coin. You have to, really put that ecosystem and that network to good use. Don't just hold it, use it. One Doge is one Doge, right? That's the whole saying behind it. Invest it, of course, but like you invest your dollar and you have your savings account, you also use it. You have your spending account. That's what I have done for myself. I've created a savings account when it comes to Doge as the price climbs, but I've also put like a spending account aside so I can go to the grocery store, I can pay my bills for my mining equipment and so on. That's my take on it. We're going to see some interesting things moving forward. We're seeing huge gap ups in Dogecoin with Dogedex, their exchange coming out. We got wallet updates. We got Elon Musk tweeting out all the time. We got Mark Cuban on the Ellen Show talking about it, and he's got bets going on with his other fellow billionaires around cryptocurrency and Dogecoin. So we have some very interesting catalysts moving forward. And just a reminder, we've yet to see Dogecoin on Coinbase or wallets being rolled out on Robinhood, which are also huge catalysts. So it's very possible that we could see Dogecoin hit $1 before the end of the year, before the end of the second quarter. It's very possible to see Dogecoin hit $5, $10 and above with just these few catalysts and everything moving forward. So if you're holding Dogecoin, if you're mining for it, and you're part of the Doge Army, right on. I support you. Join the conversation. If you need help getting set up with your mining, check out some of my previous videos. And if you need help setting up some of your equipment, let us know. There's a bunch of people over on Discord that are helping each other out, me included, and just kind of expanding our knowledge and sharing our information with each other. So that's my take on Dogecoin. I'm all about it. Huge gains, huge support, huge volumes. It's only good news for Doge, in my opinion. Now, another cryptocurrency that I am heavily invested in right now, I say heavily invested because I have, just under 500 million Safemoon tokens. But I picked them up fairly cheaply. I closed out some of my other positions, sold some Doge that I had allocated for spending. I had closed out some other cryptocurrency positions, and I bought into Safemoon at a low price. So I am showing gains for Safemoon. I'm in the positive. I'm in the in the green for it. Had some ups, had some downs, had some huge gains. Now we're back down. Now we're back up. It's all part of a growing cryptocurrency and a cryptocurrency community. This coin has gone from 0 miles per hour to 1,000 overnight. We just passed the 60-day mark. We're just the cryptocurrency itself is just 2 months old, and you're seeing huge retention in holders. We're seeing huge retention in wallets. We're seeing, the community and the CEOs and the team being very transparent, doing AMAs every week, and responding to questions in a positive light, whether it be a negative question or a positive question. They answer, like it says, AMA. They answer any question, which is phenomenal for any cryptocurrency. You see a lot of these new cryptocurrencies pop up where the teams are just anonymous, or they don't speak. They're not, vocal. The community around Safemoon is crazy to see how far and how fast they have grown. They just had a preview on Twitter and their AMA. Let me see if I can pull it up for you. Just a quick little screenshot here. They did show us a little screenshot of their upcoming new wallet, their mobile app here. So, and then they're utilizing the tokenomics right into their wallet. They got calculators, make it easy to send and transceive. Safemoon. It looks like an awesome wallet moving forward. They did a great job pushing it out to the people. This is, of course, their dark mode that they have going on. And look, right next to my head, there's Dogecoin. So, they're not dumping on other cryptocurrencies. They're not, fighting other communities. They're all about the ecosystem. They're all about moving forward and decentralizing finance, right? So I'm all for it. Like I said, I'm a big holder in Safemoon. I'm looking forward to seeing how they develop over time. They did raise all of their funds that they were looking for to build their exchange. So I look forward to their next AMA, possibly when they discuss their exchange a little bit more in depth. This past AMA, they did talk a little bit about the BNB or Binance tweet that went out in regards to the CEO of Binance saying, "Hey, stop, spamming my account with altcoins. They're just going to get blacklisted." The CEO John on the AMA on Sunday said, he doesn't feel it's about Safemoon. There's a lot of other new cryptocurrencies out there trying to get on Binance, so he wasn't too worried about it. So that was interesting to hear him talk about it and really address, things that were negatively affecting the cryptocurrency itself and the token itself moving forward. I'm going to keep an eye on it. If you guys are holding, or if you think you want to invest in it, it may be a good time to do it. Keep your eye on it. Again, do your own research with any topic, whether it be AMC, Dogecoin, Safemoon, GameStop, whatever kind of investing you're going into, real estate, looking to start a new company, a different side hustle. Do your research. Learn as much as you possibly can before you end up pulling the trigger. And until next time, guys, I do appreciate you. share the love, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Let's push this channel to the next limit. I want to do more things with the channel and involve the channel and the community more and more as we move forward, but I can't do that unless you guys support the content moving forward. Like to do more giveaways. We had a successful Dogecoin giveaway recently where we gave away just under 10,000 Dogecoin to 3 lucky people. That was a lottery that we had going on. I'd like to do another one of those moving forward, maybe a Safemoon lottery, who knows. So it'd be interesting. Like I said, guys, join the conversation. Join us on Wednesday. And as always, keep hustling and make sure that you take care of yourself and take care of your family. And we'll keep growing together. Have a good one.